first finalist, candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. Kamusta ang pakiramdam na isa ka sa ating top 8 finalists ngayong gabi?
Siyempre, sobrang masaya po dahil sa itong karangalan.
Congratulations! Pipili ka na lang. Again, sa ating po mga pinakamamahal na audience, sabang sumasagot ang aming candidate, sana manatili po tayo tahimik. Your question is, what advice can you give to a 16-year-old girl who is experiencing bullying? Again, what advice can you give to a 16-year-old girl who is experiencing bullying?
Naniniwala po ako na walang sino man sa atin ang may karapatan malaki mapapisikal, emosyonal, o intelektual. Dahil naniniwala po ako na dapat tayo ay magmahalan. Para sa 16 years old, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na huwag mo silang pansinin. Don't give up your dreams because ikaw ang nakakakilala para sa sarili mo at ikaw lang din ang makakatulong sa sarili mo. Dahil naniniwala ko na kahit anong gawin mo, patuloy at patuloy mo sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kaya magpatuloy ka sa buhay at sa iyong layunin. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. And now, let's have candidate number 13.
Again, question and answer for the final round. The allotted time po is 45 seconds. I repeat, 45 seconds. So, candidate number 13, the leading and
Yes! Napakaganda naman ng candidate number 13. Kamusta na hanggang ngayon ay nasa competition ka pa rin?
I feel so honored to be on the stage and get to the top 8.
Congratulations, candidate number 8 for being in the top 8 finalists.
Please repeat your question, candidate number 13. Are you ready? I am one. Okay, so 45 seconds to answer. Okay? Your question is, how grateful are you right now? Again, how grateful are you right now? I am grateful. I am so grateful right now because I got to the top 8 and this is my dream. Because I joined this Miss Pagamanong 2026 because I carry not only my dream but the courage to step up and turn that dream into a purpose. Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate number 13.
And now, let's have candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3 is from Antipolo.
Yes, here's Maria Corazon Leon.
I really like her gown. And balita ko, parang si Paul kaya na candidate ba sa Binibining Pilipinas? Or, okay, kung kilala mo sino, sige. Okay. Okay lang yan. Pero, sinuot daw yan. So, parang,
Tumalay natin yan ang Lucky Charm na uwi ng corona ngayong gabi. Ngayon, pumunod ka na ng iyong pagkakas. Okay, again, you have 45 seconds to answer. This is your question. If you were given a chance to choose your future husband, what would he most likely be? A. Doctor, B. Policeman, C. Farmer. Again, if you were given a chance to choose your future husband, what would he most likely be? A. Doctor. B. Policeman. Letter C. Farmer.
I were given a chance to choose future husband, I would most likely choose farmer because a farmer is a underrated farmers are underrated workers who work so much and hindi masyadong napapansin ng mga tao. But ito yung nagbibigay ng mga pagkain ng makain natin sa
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Tama nga naman si candidate number 3, ang farmer round. Saludo tayo sa mga farmers natin kasi sila yung nagbibigay ng mga pagkain na inihahangin natin.
Let's think nila, kung walang farmer tayo magugulo.
Yeah, wala tayong kanin, wala tayong mga sariwang produce.
Okay, next.
Candidate number 12. Okay, please read your question.
Okay, candidate number 5. Here's your question. How can social media help a poor community? Again, how can social media help a poor community?
Nakikita natin ngayon sa panahon ngayon. Through social media, marami tayong nagtutulungan ng mga tao dahil sa pag-post nila about sa mga situation ng iba. So how can we help a poor community through social media? It's very simple. We will post their situation. Let us help them. Tapos, pwede mag-reach out sa ibang tao na pwede tumulong sa kanila. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 12. And now, let's move on to our candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 ay ang comeback queen noong 2020. So, kamusta na ngayong second time around, nakapasok ka sa top 8 finalists?
For this moment, I'm very grateful.
Now, you may take your question. Okay, again, you have 45 seconds to answer. And this is your question. How will you describe Mother Nature to a blind child? Again, how will you describe a Mother Nature to a blind child?
I can describe Mother Nature to a blind child by giving her a love, giving her that as a mother you are siguro po
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 4. And now, candidate number 2.
Candidate number 3. Are you ready? So you can pick your question. Candidate number 8, here's your question. Who is the most influential person in your life and why? Who
More time is up. Candidate number.
Thank you so much for number 8. And now let's move on to our candidate number 6. Again, we have only 45 seconds to answer the question. Your question is, how will you react if you found out that your boyfriend is gay? Again, how will you react if you find out that your boyfriend is gay?
Actually, for me, if I found out that my boyfriend is gay, I will be very grateful because everybody deserves the truth. And magiging masaya ako na naging honest siya sa akin dahil lahat tayo ay dapat magbuhay. So, kung anong gusto natin, manahin, thank you.
Thank you so much for the conversation. Happy Pride Month!
Okay. Our last candidate to take the final Q&A, candidate number 14.
My partner from Barangay Sarang.
And she looks familiar to me because you're my cousin. My cousin. So you look family. You look familiar to family. So wala kang choice. This is the remaining question. Your question is, if you were given a chance to vote to our new president, what gender should he or she be? A man or a woman? If you were given a chance to vote to our new president, what gender should he or she be? A man or a woman?
Thank you for that question. Of course, we cannot observe as of now how men lead our government. So I will choose women. I want to empower women because we are not limited. We are powerful beyond our gender. Thank you.
Number 14, thank you so much. Yes, Aliyah.
So what an incredible round! Let's give another round of applause to our top 8 finalists.
And now, meron na tayong twins. Bukod sa kanilang final questioning round, magkakaroon sila ng final speech para kumbinsihin ang ating mga judges upang sagutin ang tanong na, why should you be the next Miss Magamanok?
Again, why should you be the next Miss Magamanok?